Well, to the latest in the missing mother investigation. Tonight, her estranged husband, Fotis Dulos, was back before a judge over concerns that he is not complying with the terms of his release, specifically relating to his GPS ankle monitor. Channel 3 New Haven Bureau Chief Matt McFarland was in the courtroom this afternoon and joins us now live outside Stamford Superior Court with what happened there today. Matt?
Well, Denise, as part of the conditions of his release, when he was first arrested back in June, Fotis Dulos was fitted with a GPS ankle monitoring device. Now, today, the judge called him in over those concerns that he's not properly charging the batteries on that device. Meanwhile, his attorney argued that based on the current charges, he shouldn't have to wear one at all.
Low battery status is not a trivial condition because, akin to a smartphone that tells you you're running out of power, in a very short period of time after low battery status, your GPS stops functioning and your movements would therefore be untrackable. And that's not acceptable.
And while it never got that far, the judge called in Fotis Dulos and his attorney for a hearing after getting reports from probation that the batteries on Dulos' ankle monitoring device have gotten pretty low a number of times. Attorney Norm Pattis questioned whether his client should have to wear one at all. Police first arrested Dulos and his girlfriend, Michelle Triconis, back in June, charging them with tampering with evidence and hindering prosecution in the disappearance of his estranged wife, Jennifer Farber Dulos. She was last seen back in late May after dropping their 5 kids off at school. And earlier this month, police rearrested the pair, adding an additional tampering charge.
They believe he was in a car. They believe he lay in wait. They believe he did this. They believe he did that. When they can show some quantum of proof that even satisfies probable cause, then and only then might an electronic monitoring device be warranted. At this point, it just compounds the impression that Mr. Dulos remains a menace to society.
State's Attorney Richard Colangelo countered that Dulos should not only have an ankle monitor, but also a curfew.
When you do revisit whether he should have a monitor on or not, I would ask that you start setting a curfew for him, because he's obviously just basically thumbing his nose at the court.
The judge decided to keep the original conditions in place, but warned Dulos to make sure he follows them and that the batteries are charged. Outside of court, the man police have labeled their prime suspect in his wife's disappearance had this to say.
I would like to thank all these people that have given me their support. I just want to tell you how much I love my children, and I can't wait to see them.
Also, what's next? Pattis says he will be filing a motion with the Connecticut State Supreme Court appealing that gag order that was issued earlier this month. We'll have more on that part of the story coming up tonight at 6. We're live at the mobile newsroom in Stamford. Matt McFarland, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.